1. Marshals ready. Racers ready. Please wait for the tone.
Five, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4.
Again, this is Open Touring Intermediate A
One.
main. One of the fastest cars that is ever built.
4,
And at the race leader is Carl Doctor. Second, Wally De Borja. Third
Two.
is Eric Barmaquea.
Three.
Fourth is Dennis Ventura.
Four.
And fifth is Romy Barra.
1, 5, 3, 4, 1, 5, 4 minutes left.
4 minutes left.
1, 3, 1,
And it's Carl Doctor, the race
Four.
leader, ahead of 1 lap.
2, 5, 4, 2,
Still the race leader
One.
is Carl Doctor.
Three.
Second is
Five.
Eric Barmaquea. Third is Wally De Borja. Fourth is Dennis
Two.
Ventura. And fifth is Romy Barra.
1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 3. 3
Oh,
minutes
Marshall.
left.
3 minutes left.
2, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2,
Still the race leader is Carl Doctor. Second, Eric Barmaquea. Third is
One.
Wally De Borja. Fourth is Romy Barra.
Two.
And fifth is Dennis Ventura.
4,
And
Five.
it's Carl Doctor and Eric Barmaquea fighting for the race leader. Oh, Marshals.
4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 2 minutes left.
2 minutes left.
1,
Baggy Pro class, get ready. Lendel Layug,
4,
Wally De Borja, Rain
Two.
Caimo, and Dennis Ventura. Baggy Pro class, please get ready.
One. 2, 5, 2,
Still the race leader is Carl Doctor. Second, Eric Barmaquea. Third
One.
is Wally De Borja. Fourth is Romy Barra. And fifth is Dennis Ventura.
4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1.
1 minute left.
1 minute left. 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1.
30
Four.
seconds left.
2, 1. 5, 2, 4, 5,
Last lap.
2,
5 seconds left.
5. The race is over.
Finish your lap.
2
Carl
done,
finish. Wally finish.
3 done,
Eric finish.
1 done, 2, 4 done,
Dennis finish
Five
and
done.
Romy finish. Alright, finishing order for Open Touring Intermediate A main number 1. At first, Carl Doctor. Second, Eric Permaquia. Third is Wally Tobora. Fourth is Dennis Ventura. And fifth is Romy Bora.